Hi, I'm Nicole M., and I'm here to talk about my favorite hiking trail. The mountain beneath the Getty Center and the hiking trail on the mountain across the freeway are both local examples of the geological processes and principles described in unstable land. The Getty Center sits on top of the Santa Monica Mountains, a range that is shaped by tectonic uplift, weathering, and mass wasting, the very processes that create and reshape slopes. The geology beneath the Getty consists of layered sedimentary rocks, including shale and sandstone, that were tilted over millions of years by fault movement. These layers dip towards the ocean, meaning that gravity and slope geometry naturally encourage the material to slide downhill. Without intervention, this would make the site unstable, especially during heavy rainfall or earthquakes. To counter these natural forces, engineers reduced the driving forces of gravity and increased the resisting forces such as friction, cohesion, and structural reinforcement. The Getty's foundation is anchored into the bedrock, and the surrounding slopes are terraced, drained, and reinforced with retaining walls and soil nails. These measures keep the museum stable despite the constant pull of gravity and occasional seismic shaking. Across the freeway, the hiking trail that winds through the natural slopes of the Santa Monica Mountains illustrates the same principles but without the engineering. The steepness of the trail reflects how slope angle directly affects stability. The steeper the slope, the higher the likelihood of material moving downhill. Along the trails, you can often see talus slopes where loose rock fragments collect at the base of cliffs, showing evidence of rock falls that have already occurred. After winter rains, parts of the trail experience mud and debris flow when the water content in the soil becomes too high. That reduces friction and cohesion. Similarly, after a wildfire, which is very common in this area, the removal of vegetation leaves the soil loose and hydrophobic, allowing water to run off quickly and erode the slope. Even slope processes like creep are visible there. Trees growing on tilted slopes often show curved trunks as the ground beneath them moves gradually downhill. Together, the Getty's engineered hillside and the natural slopes across the freeway form a contrast between human attempts. Together, the Getty's engineered hillside and the natural slopes across the freeway form a clear contrast between humans attempting to live with unstable land and the dynamic, ever-changing natural processes that shape California's landscape. Thank you.